Alright, so hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna teach you about a little bit about how to make your variables and data types. I'm gonna teach you about variables and data types basically. So let's just get this VS Code open and let's get the video started. Okay, so VS Code is open now. You see my computer a bit slow. Computer is a bit slow. So yeah, let's just open up the terminal. Command prompt. Good. Let's kill the PowerShell. Next, let's just activate the virtual environment that we made last time. So vpy scripts activate. There we go. Virtual environment is now activated. So now we are here. So let's make a program called data types. Okay, sorry, I forgot to type code. So now we will have a data types Python file. So now I'm gonna teach you a little bit about data types. So Python has many data types, but today we are just gonna talk about three: integers, floating points, and strings. So first, let's talk about integers. For short, we write like int. Just that's it, and we write it in lowercase actually. This is int. So actually Python is not a statically typed language, it's a dynamically typed language. What does that mean? That means that Python can figure out what data type we are entering. Like let's just enter a value, let's say 45. Okay, so now X has a value of 45 and this is a variable. Okay, so X is, sorry, small x. X is a variable. Okay, so x is a variable and x contains the value of 45. To prove this, I'm just going to print x. Okay, so instead of printing 45, I'm going to print x. And to do that, to run the program, I'm just going to do this. As you can see, the value 45 is printed right here. So as you can see, so and to know, like this is a very special function. So as you can see, the print function is a predefined function that we don't have to write, and Python itself has like a predefined and many predefined functions like print. So one of them is type function. Just put like this x inside the type. Now what it will do is it will return the type of data x is. And now if I run it, as you can see, it tells us its class int means integer, so it's an integer data type. Now let's take some other variable, like instead of 45, let's take 34.45. So now as you can see, we have added decimal values. Previously we did not have decimal values, so now we are in decimal range. Now in programming language we call them floating points. So if I print type of y, as you can see, it will be float after integer because I'm printing it first, so it comes like above and then the float one comes below that. So that's pretty simple. Next I will use a data type called string. So to represent string, you can use either double quotes or single quotes. It's your choice actually. Like I can make a string called Python. Okay, so and I can just use print and then type and then z. So as you can see, so now it will return the type of variable z is, and we will print that. So as you can see, str stands for string. So We have integer types, we have floating point, and then we have string data types. So you can you can add and subtract from these. You can also add and subtract from like a string. Like you can add another string to this string. Like this is very easy. Like I can say Python and space programming. So now it will be added together, and like just show it to you. I'm gonna just print Z. So and we all know that we if we add numbers to numbers, yeah, we will just get a bigger number. Like anything, like I can add just 5 to 45, I will end up with 50. And if I add like 2 to this, we will end up with 36.45. So yeah, that's some basic things. As you can see, 50, 36.45, and like programming Python. That's basic, like variables and data types. Nothing too fancy here. Pretty easy because it's Python. And as you can see, like one more thing, that every time we print something, it goes to a new line. Okay, so the print function automatically sends us to a new line. We can actually stop this. We can modify the print function as we like, but I will show that in future videos maybe. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys.